Yes. Did you know the certified welding inspector is very important for quality controls and the quality controller to all quality stakeholders who include the governments, entrepreneurs or employers, the suppliers, the communities, etc. And that the non-destructive testing inspector is very vital for quality controls in the industry as they use innovative techniques to verify the soundness of our components. Dash Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology offers training and certification in these top-notch training certification programs which offer bound pay packages in Cameroon to power industry development in Cameroon. For those who want jobs in oil and gas sector, petrochemicals, maritime, the port sector, manufacturing, fabrication, in fact, these are top qualifications for you. Dash Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology offers courses in welding technology, inspection technology, certified welding inspectors, non-destructive testing inspectors, coded welders or certified welders or the industrial welders, welding engineering technology level 1s. In fact, all welders are offered free homologations or certifications. Rush now to Dash Inspector and pick up these vital industry skills which are very vital to propel industry development in Cameroon as the nation targets becoming an emerging nation by 2035. Contact 6900 52 715 6900 52 715. We are located at our training facility at Down Beach below Old Market, former Toronto garage. Register now.